Hey guys, this is FMFB, and this is our YouTube channel. Hey guys, it's FMFB Squad, back again with another video.
Yeah, sorry it took us so long to make another video. I don't know, we just got caught up with school, just a lot of stuff.
Yeah, but we back, man. We're currently missing Mo. He's at college.
Yeah, he goes to school in New York. Yeah, so he won't be with us for a little bit. But he'll be back soon, Thanksgiving break probably.
Today we're gonna be filming a mukbang. We're gonna be eating some Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. No, just saying.
We're about to eat good. All right,
Let's get into it.
Yeah, let's get into it.
So,
I just broke my fast.
Yeah, Fiend's been fasting all day, man.
oh yeah, so I really missed you guys. I missed the camera, honestly.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. Dang, we would get so much feedback from people, you know, that watch our videos. They were like, "We're great to ever do it," and I was like, "Yeah, that's what's up."
All the B's were hitting us up in school like, yo, come with the video. We miss you.
Yeah, so we had to do it for the one time. Not for the one time, but for, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna be back. We're gonna be regular now.
For old time's sake.
Yeah.
We in this thing.
For real.
But
I'm staying.
Yeah, but so just for anybody that's wondering, we're not brothers. So a lot of people have been thinking we're all brothers and stuff. But like, I guess we're kind of like brothers. Or me and Bolo are brothers, and
Fiend and Mo are brothers.
Yeah,
they're our cousins.
You know.
What type of chicken is that?
Yeah, and so like, we moved from like Nigeria and stuff, and like
Yeah. We're straight out of Lagos.
What sauce is that?
what's that again?
So yeah.
But yeah, we're Nigerian.
Nigerian blood.
Hungry.
Super hungry. He hasn't eaten for like a good 18 hours.
But yeah.
This food is good, man.
But yeah, so we came from Nigeria about how long ago?
Actually, for y'all wondering, we are U.S. citizens.
I don't think anybody was wondering.
Well, I mean,
Yeah, nobody was wondering. Kind of just like,
Yeah.
well, I mean, yeah, they probably think we're born in Nigeria. We just won the lottery to come here or something.
yeah.
But nah, born and raised, ATL. We actually lived in Marietta for a little bit. Then we moved back to Nigeria. Came back here in 2014. And we've been at Johns Creek High School ever since.
Can't give no information like that, bro. Don't
Yeah.
we don't go to John Street. It was a joke.
Yeah, it was a joke.
Yeah, we just hustling right now, actually.
Yeah. That's what we do. Anyways, yeah, so
We're dropping out of high school to become YouTubers. We're doing this for y'all. Only for y'all.
So make sure to have your friends.
Your moms, your aunties, your uncles, your cousins, your neighbors, your dogs, sisters, everything. Like and comment, subscribe, all that.
Yeah.
All that.
Oh, yeah. We also play sports.
Yeah, I play. I run track.
I play the piano.
What? Fiend plays the harmonica. Yeah. Those one sports. Yeah. We be hooping on a daily, you know. Dropping buckets
I'm Steph.
with the shot.
Man, this feels good, bro. Bro, this food is smacking, dog. No cap.
All right. We start FMFB because why we start FMFB?
Honestly,
We did because we like y'all so much.
no.
That's it.
No.
That's it. Go tell your cousins to subscribe.
Honestly, I think it was because we found like YouTube's like so fun. It looks so interesting when I watch other YouTubers. It's just lit, man. I mean, you know, we want to have our own fan base too. Actually, squad member, you know, FMFB squad, FMFB squad, FMFB squad, FMFB squad.
Hey,
Yeah.
man.
All right, but we don't have much to talk about, so I'll just tell you a story about Bolu when we were in Nigeria. He almost got bit by a lion. So
So I went to the zoo, right? I haven't told this story to anybody yet, but I was going to the zoo, right? We got to the zoo, and like, I was like 6 or 7 years old, and like, you know, they told me to stay away from the lions, but you know me, Bolu, I don't listen. So
bro, that's the most ass story I've ever read in my life, bro.
I went to the cage, started petting the lion. Before I knew it, the thing was snapping at me. That's cap, yo. We don't really have lions in Nigeria.
This is what really happened. It wasn't a lion though. It was a giraffe. So we went to Dubai because we be traveling a lot. We travel a lot, and so they had a zoo there. And I think it was Mo and Fing. They showed us where the giraffes were. And so we were like, oh, bet. So where are these giraffes? And like, Boo was like, Boo got on it, and he was riding it, and he didn't want to get off, so he held onto the neck, and he was holding that neck. Okay, and then he was climbing the neck.
You're free.
And was climbing the neck, and then he I guess he was holding on to his head and everything, and then he tried to put his hand in his mouth. It was a mistake though. And I guess, I don't know, they shot it. Like,
A sniper gang.
Oh yeah, they did. They shot him like a couple of tranquilizers and stuff, and like
Yeah, that's the
his
word.
body just dropped, and Bolu was like at the top of the neck.
yeah,
like,
and then
bro,
Boo was like,
it was crazy.
yeah. It's like Boo was dropping in slow motion.
That's why I broke my arm the first time.
bro. Man,
That thing hurt. No cap.
that was intense. I was just watching. I was like, dang, Bolu. That was crazy. I thought man was about to
You
fly.
should have seen Fiend then, bro.
Man, I was snap.
He looked like Ernie from what's that show again?
Casey undercover.
Yeah, Casey undercover.
Bruh. Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
I know you're not talking, bro. I'm gonna have to fling you in front of all our fans, bro.
Chill out. But yeah, well, before this video started, I just found out somebody stole $60 from me.
Yeah.
What?
Look at his lips.
After this video, I'm gonna put a link in the description for y'all to like GoFundMe.
If y'all really care, you go for me too.
Not him, me.
But yeah, someone stole $60 from him. You know, Bo just being Bo. And I guess he was about to cry about it, but
$60 is a lot of money. But it is what it is. We live in a terrible world.
Yeah, bro. From the trap too, bro. The area we're in, it's not safe. So send us some likes and subscribes, and we can get out of here. You feel me? Help us make it out, please.
boy, you live in Johns Creek, bro. You already made it out.
Alpharetta.
I'm saying.
You don't know that?
First things. Dang. This pizza don't taste good anymore, bro.
Yeah.
I'm kind of done, bro. Not even gonna cap.
I guess we'll cut wraps there.
Oh, can I get one more piece of chicken? Nah.
Like and subscribe.
Comment. Tell your friends. Tell their friends. To tell their friends. Check out our videos. We will be posting more often than before. Sorry about the wait.
We'll try and give you something every week to every 2 weeks. Or every other week, my bad. But yeah.
Till then, stay tuned.
Actually, yeah, we're gonna we'll try and give you guys videos as much as possible. This was just a video to, like, I guess, get back in the groove of it. We will be making a great video, so stay tuned. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
All right.
We out.
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you, sitting all alone, crying in pain from hunger, near death from sickness? And what if all you had to do was reach into your pocket and pull out 50 cents to save that child's life? This is that child, and this is that moment.
Y'all should go fund me, bro. I'm broke.